Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be cooking a delicious spaghetti recipe. It has a unique combination of prawns, cheese, spinach and more. So let's start making this yummy recipe. First, in a pan we take sufficient amount of water. To this we add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to this. When the water is heated up and it starts to bubble, add the spaghetti to this. I have taken a little more than half a packet of spaghetti. Use as per the quantity required. Boil the spaghetti for 5 to 7 minutes till it gets cooked. Do not overcook the spaghetti. As you can see, it should be like this. Now drain the excess water. After draining out the water, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to the spaghetti. This prevents the spaghetti from becoming sticky. Now in a pan, we heat up 4 tablespoons of olive oil. In hot oil, we add 1 medium-sized onion sliced into pieces. On high heat, fry the onions for 2 minutes. Then we add 4 big cloves of garlic, approximately 20 grams, nicely chopped. Fry the onions and the garlic for 2 to 3 minutes till they are light brown. Here you can see that the onions and the garlic have turned light brown. Now set on medium heat. Add 10 to 12 pieces of white tiger prawns. Use prawns in proportion to the amount of spaghetti. Fry the prawns nicely for around 4 minutes. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Now to this, we will add 8 mushrooms sliced into pieces. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add salt according to your taste. Fry the mushrooms along with the prawns. Add half a tablespoon of butter. Continue to saute. After around 5 to 6 minutes on medium heat, fry on high heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Add 1 teaspoon of oregano and half a teaspoon of basilicum. Give a nice stir. Now add 125 grams of spinach leaves. Here I have taken baby spinach leaves. I am adding a little bit more of salt to this. Add salt according to your taste. On high heat, fry for 2 minutes. Add crushed black pepper. Fry for 1 more minute. Put the heat to medium. Now it's time to add the spaghetti to this. Mix the spaghetti nicely with the other ingredients. Lastly, to this we will add grated Parmesan cheese. Mix everything together. Wow, it looks really yummy. So, our yummy spaghetti is ready to go to the table. Do give it a try and believe me, you will love it. Please do like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for more interesting and yummy recipes. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.